What's up? You got a hard shield?
That's my vehicle. I had to back out. I couldn't see the suspect. Okay. Hey, let's get security here. I need someone to come out and see security up to the left of that woods. We're going to make our approach on the right-hand side of my vehicle. I do not know if his vehicle is, okay. I don't know if he's in his vehicle or not. You ready? No, we're good, man.
Lock yourself in your house.
Get in the house and lock the door.
Chris, pay attention.
Someone needs that car. Someone hits that car hard. I've got the car.
Hey, let's go. Somebody watch my left side up here.
Got your left.
Can you see in the car?
Got your left.
I can. I can't see anybody.
Get that shield up and be ready.
Be ready. I need someone on my right over here.
Okay, hold on. It's alright. Deep breath, everybody.
Okay. Someone got the woods?
I got the woods.
Okay, I'm taking off. I'm going to drag him
I got
out.
the woods.
Hey, he's right
Sit
here.
there!
Right
Sit right there! Right behind you, right behind you. Get behind the car, get behind the car. Got eyes? He's moving. Moving.
Somebody get cover on him.
We got cover on him. I got cover. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
I got my dog too. They're coming up right now.
Car's coming up?
10 inches from the stand. Go, go. What? What?
Somebody go to my vehicle, get my trauma kit.
I got
I got a
got it?
blowout kit right here, but I got a big one.
Okay, alright, where's the key?
Okay. Is it locked, Twig? Joe, is it locked?
Yeah.
Give me your key.
Right here.